Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to put the BoxyCharm base box for October 21 against my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus October 21 and see which one I think is better. Hi, hello, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer and I like to unbox things, and I also do makeup material, and as my channel name suggests, I am agoraphobic and I do talk about subjects regarding agoraphobia and mental health, although I am not an expert in any way. I just like to talk. If you are interested in any of those topics, or if you're interested in all of those topics, then please hit that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified of all my future videos. And I would love to have you as part of my small family. And if you are interested in today's topic, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, let me know down in the comments if you like this style of video. I just started getting the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I've gotten this for a long time, and I've just been unboxing this. And if you like this style of video, or if you would just rather me go back to unboxing my BoxyCharm video in a separate video, and this in a separate video. Now, this comes with 5 full-size products, as does this. In this, I get to pick 3 of the products, and in this, I only get to pick 1. That doesn't mean that the products that I pick are all that great, because some of the choices that I get to choose from were not all that great. But let's start with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and one thing it has in its favor is that it comes in a cute little bag, and this month this is what the bag looks like, and it comes with a neon green string and has these little lips with vampire teeth on it. And let me just take all the stuff out of it right now. Oh, I did add a couple of add-ons on here, and I'll talk about those later. Okay. The first thing here they picked for me is the Wonder Beauty Staycation Hydrating Mask. It's called the Staycation Hydrating Mask by Wonder Beauty. And I don't have my glasses with me, and it doesn't come with something that can explain it to me, and I use my phone as my recording device. So hang tight, let me go get my glasses just a second. Okay, now I can read the back of the box. It says, oh, it's still a very little print. Book the ultimate hydration staycation with our intensely moisturizing 3-in-1 mask, moisture and skin treatment. This powerful combination of peptide and ceramide helps to improve skin texture and prevent moisture loss for long-lasting hydration. Cranberry seed oil delivers potent antioxidant benefits and diminishes the appearance of fine lines to help improve dull-looking skin. Okay, I can get behind that. That's pretty cool. Okay, what else do we have? This they also picked for me. It's the Dermilect Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. And it is a potent yet gentle anti-aging serum combining 3 active forms of amino acids. Overnight treatment effectively revitalizes dull looking skin, focused on fine lines, wrinkling, and large pores, great for age spots and uneven skin tone, multitasking facial and décolleté applications. Okay, key ingredients: glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and L-ascorbic acid. Okay, but they could have put it in a smaller box. I mean, look at this. Okay, on to my picks. My first pick, which, okay, is the Mozzie Balancing Multi-Effect Facial Cleanser. And it comes in a bottle that looks like that. It says, well, it doesn't say much. It says rosehip seed oil, citric acid, red seaweed extract, geranium flower oil. Redefine your balance with antioxidants that defend against free radical damage. Okay, so I picked that because I needed a cleanser. And then I picked the Rinna Beauty. This is that from Lisa Rinna? Comment down below if you know that. This is a liquid lip. I'm not going to swatch it. I don't know if I really want to keep it or not because I have so many liquid lips. But that's the color of it. It just seemed to be the best out of the bunch of choices that I had. And then I picked a 5-piece brush set. That looks like this. They are very small, like tools that you would do small work with. Like this is a teeny tiny little brush there, as you can see. So I needed some tools like this. Oh, there's one more in there. Well, it looks like this. So I needed some tools like that. So that's what I picked. So that is all for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And now let's look at my BoxyCharm for October 2021. And it comes with a little card. It says Spellbound. And it talks about the drop shop that is going on in the main drop shop. And the Boxy Beauty Bash that's going on in November. Okay, first my pick, which is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. Oh, why did I have to tape it? Okay. Which looks like that. I'm really excited to try this. It says, this highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid visibly brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation. The niacinamide infused serum is formulated without mica, glitter, or pearls. It creates a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. Use as a hydrating highlighting serum before moisturizer or as a last step in your routine. So, I'm very excited to get that. Go back in. Okay, next. From Ace Beauty. Okay, I'm very happy to get this. I got the palette. Okay, quick story. I bought 2 of these palettes in the drop shop. So one I'm giving to Erin, and one I will be passing on to y'all in a giveaway. Okay, there goes that. Here is the palette, what it looks like. And it is the Falling For You palette. Represents some of your most favorite things about the fall season. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. Funny thing, I am wearing an Ace Beauté eyeshadow palette today. I'm wearing the Flare palette on my eyes today. Yeah, I'm very excited about that. Yeah, and I'm excited that I bought 2 of those. I am not unhappy that I bought 2 of those because they were only $9 each. Okay, what's next? Tint Lash Brow Duo. Okay, that is what this is. This duo solves the endless search for mascara and brow gel in the abyss of your makeup bag. It provides 2 products in one. The mascara is created with a smooth oil-rich formula with strong color payoff, leaving lashes longer, naturally fuller looking, and thicker without clump. The brow gel is fine and creamy with enough color to achieve natural hair-like strokes of colorful, fuller, and well-defined brows. Well, that's what she looks like. There is the lash side, and this is the brow side. I am going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, that looks like a disappointing. I like big, full hourglass mascara wands. And I know this isn't going to be my color, although it is pretty dark. Huh, that'll probably work for me just fine. I use eyebrow gel. So this will probably come in handy. I'll use that. Next is the Julie's Beauty Wingstamp eyeliner. Okay, I already have something like this. It is, now wings are easier than ever. This stamp liner comes with dual sides, one wing shaped and one traditional pin shape. Super easy to use, even for beginners. Just press the stamp onto the outer eye area and then use the pin side to connect and perfect. This is what she looks like, but I'm not going to swatch it because I'm probably going to put this in an upcoming giveaway. What it is just eyeliner and then a stamp for the side of your eye that is a wing stamp. I already have something similar to this that I use, and I haven't been giving y'all prices, but I didn't know the prices of this either. But the Glow recipe is $34. The Ace Beauté Falling For You palette is $34.99. This Tint Beauty Lash is $29, and this Jelly Ease Beauty Wingstamp Liner is $22. And the last product I have in here is Julep Makeup Remover Palette. Simplify your routine with these 2-in-1 wipes that gently remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning skin with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil. Swipe cloths across skin to gently remove oil, makeup, even waterproof mascara without tugging or pulling. No need to rinse. Suitable for all skin types, especially oily and acne prone. Good thing is they are 100% biodegradable, but I only use makeup wipes to take off swatches and take off makeup when I use makeup to apply, when I use my hands to apply makeup. Okay. So I use these. I get used out of them. But am I excited about it? Not really. Okay. Now, which am I more excited about though? I don't know. I'm very excited with the BoxyCharm for the Niacinamide drops and the Ace Beauty palette. And I do like this. But everything in my glam bag is okay. It's just okay. I'll get use out of most of it, but I'm not excited about anything in it. So, I don't know, this is tough. I'm gonna give it to BoxyCharm because of this palette mainly. Because I love Ace Beauty. They're like one of my favorite indie brands. And because it had Glow Recipe in it as well, which is a brand that I really like. And I'm just kind of meh about the glam bag stuff. Okay, so I'm giving it to BoxyCharm this time. Okay, so with that said, I just want to show you some of the add-ons I got. I got the Tatcha, the Dairy Skin Cream, just a little sample of it. And I also got just a little eyeliner for my waterline in like a neon green yellow color. Well, I'm not going to swatch it just yet, but I thought it would look good with neutral looks to make it pop. Just to make them pop just a little bit. So, what do you think of my ranking? Do you like this kind of video? Let me know down below. Give me your comments. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you all liked it. And it really helps my channel, and it only takes a second. And yeah, leave me a comment. And I hope you're having a great day out there today. And if you are not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day and helps you to have a wonderful day so that you can enjoy your day and all the days following it. And if you're having an especially hard time, I hope that time will heal your wounds, and I am sending you all the good vibes. Just remember to stay strong and to stay healthy and to stay safe, and I hope I will see you in tomorrow's video. I'm not sure what it is yet, but anyway, I hope I'll see you then. Okay, goodbye.